Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add watermark from selected page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add watermark from selected page. Here the second page selected. Then go to the right button on our mouse. Then select Insert Section. Then go to the next page and applying the same process. Then go back the selected page and go to View menu. Select the Master Pages option and go to Insert menu. Then select the Draw Text box. Then draw a text box. Then write the watermark text. Then select the text. We can drag on our mouse and increase the font size. Applying the bold effect. Then go back the master pages menu, click close master page. Then go to the first page, click right button on our mouse and select the master pages menu, click none. Then go to the last section and press shift on our keyboard to select these multiple pages and press right button on our mouse and go to the master pages menu, select none. Then go to the second page or selected page and check the page. We can see we add watermark from selected page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.